Hello everyone, so today me and my friend we were presenting case study 1 for subject cloud computing. As you can see, this is our team. My name is Quratun Nurainakila and my friend is Yoshita and Farhana Najwa. Introduction. Cloud computing has transformed how business operate by offering scalable, high performance and secure infrastructure solution. Amazon Web Service (AWS) is a leading cloud provider that enables organizations to build resilient and efficiency systems. Cloudflare Inc., a global e-commerce platform, is transitioning to AWS to enhance performance, availability, scalability, and security. This report outlines the AWS architecture's design and configuration strategies required to meet Cloudflare Inc. cloud migration objective. Question 1. Explain how performance and availability are managed in AWS cloud environment. There are 3 examples for performance. First is EC2. For optimized instance types, auto-scaling, and placement groups for high-speed computing. Second is CloudFront. It's a global CDN caching for reduced latency and faster content delivery. And last one is CloudWatch for real-time monitoring, alerts, and auto-scaling triggers for performance optimization. 3 examples for availability. First is ELP. For distribute traffic, auto-list instances, and ensure load balancing across ASIC. Second is Router 53, high availability DNS with failover, health checks, and latency-based routing. And last one is multi-ASIC for deploy resources across multiple ASIC for disaster recovery and redundancy.
Hi, my name is Farhana Najwa binti Muhammad Fawzani. My number matric is 21DDT23F1307. I will explain question number 2. Explain mechanism to ensure availability and accessibility in cloud computing. The answer, first, mission to ensure availability. First one is Elastic Load Balancer, ELB. Distribute traffic across multiple instances to prevent overload and ensure continuous service. Number 2 is Router 53, a highly available DNS service that provides failover routing and lengthens basic traffic distribution. Next is mission to ensure scalability. First one is vertical scaling, scaling up or down, increase or decrease the router's CPU, RAM, storage of a single instance to handle varying workloads. Number 2 is horizontal scaling. Add or remove multiple instance dynamic to distribute load and improve performance. Lastly is auto scaling. Automatically adjust the number of instances based on demand, ensure optimal performance and cost efficient. Question 3 is explain cloud computing characteristic, deployment model, and type of virtualization in AWS. First one is characteristic of cloud computing. First, on-demand self-service. Second, broad network access. Third, rapid elastic. Fourth, cost efficient. Next is cloud deployment model with example. First one is public cloud. AWS interaction in share among multiple customers. Example, a small business hosts in website on AWS. EC2 leverage AWS share records without managing hardware. Second, private cloud. A dedicated cloud environment for a single organization. Example, a bank set up a private AWS outpost environment for sure on-permission cloud computing. Third one is hybrid cloud. Combination of on-permission and cloud infrastructure. Example, a healthcare company stores sensitive patient record in private cloud while using AWS for analytics. Last is type of virtualization in AWS. First one is computer virtualization. Creates multiple virtual machine VMS on a single physical server using hypervisor like Ascent and KVM. Example, Amazon EC2. Second, network virtualization. Virtual networking enable isolate environment using AWS Virtual Private Cloud VPC for sure communication. Lastly is storage virtualization. Pool storage resources to create a flexible storage system. Example, Amazon EBS, S3 and EFS for scalable storage solution. Thank you. That's all for me.
Question 4. Design an AWS infrastructure to meet Cloudflare Inc.'s needs for scalability, availability, and performance. So the answer is networking and security, VPC, isolated network with public and private subnet. Second is compute and scalability, EC2 instances which runs application workload. Third is database storage, RDS, multi-AZ, high availability database with failover. And the fourth is availability and load balancing. Example, Route 53, DNS failover and latency based routing. And the fifth is monitoring and optimization. Example is CloudWatch, which tracks system performance. Question 5. Configure an IAM user to manage access to AWS resources. Step 1 is create an IAM user. First, we navigate to AWS IAM console, and second, we click on users and add user. And the third step is provide a username and password, and we enable AWS management console access. And the second step is set permission. So we use IAM policies such as administrator access for full control or create a custom policies. So step 3 is MFA setup process. In step 1, as we can see, the admin user is created. So in step 2, in the IAM console, we go to users and select admin and click the security credentials and click manage MFA device and follow the prompt to set up MFA. We use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. In the step 5, we use Google Authenticator app to scan the below QR and we got the code. And last step 6, the MFA setup process is success.
Conclusion. Cloudflare Inc. require a highly scalable, available, and secure cloud infrastructure. AWS offers the best cloud solution through auto-scaling, load balancing, multi-AZ deployment, and IAM security features. This report provides a detailed architecture and implementation strategy for migrating Cloudflare Inc. to AWS, ensuring optimal performance, availability, and security in a global e-commerce environment.
And that's all from us. Thank you.